When you first buy a drone, an SD card is the last thing you think about, when it should be the first thing you think about. The cheapest SD card is not always the best SD card. Make sure you focus on class and speed of the card. They're more important than capacity. You can work with low capacity and just transfer over later, but make sure you capture your 4K footage nice and sweet with a nice, good, fast, high-class card. Also, another good tip is to make sure you have one of these nice SD card holders to make sure you don't lose them like I sometimes do. That's this week's tip. Fly safe.